Hey guys, this is Jack doing a YouTube video on Zippos. Wait a sec, I'll just go shut my door. Today, got ordinary Zippo. It doesn't work though, as you can see, just sparks. So this is what you do, how to get a Zippo working. Right, this links can. Links, right, sorry. You get the Zippo, you see the bit there that you scratch, that bit, you get inside where this little bit is in there, and it's that bit in there. You spray a little links on it, links on there. You light it. And there's your Zippo. And then there's a few tricks that you can do with one. Go like that. Off. Light it. And then just keep lighting for a minute. And then it'll turn off. See that now it's gone off. So you just wait. Technical bit. There's your Zippo. So the cool tricks I was saying with, you can shut the lid off and it'll work every time. Right, there you go. Right, so you can see Zippo. I haven't done this very times, it might not work, but you can hold there, like that. See, like that. So you put your fingers here. Should come open like that. But sometimes it won't work because you have to do a little practice. But you know, yeah, it might work. So there you go. Right. See, like that. Then you shut it, just go like that. See? So, go like that to open it. Go like that, shut it. And then, see? There's your Zippo. That's all you can do by just lighting it simply like that. And go off. Do it again. And mainly you can just do a few tips with them, so open it. What you have to do with this, because it's quite hot, you have to be quite careful when you try light it, pull it out and everything, so just pull it out very quick. As you can see, that's the button. See, plop it in like that. And that is my YouTube video, how to get a Zippo working with links. Let me just show you one more time. Spray it like this into there. That's your Zippo working. A few tricks. Zippo. Quite hard, but you know. Get a lot of practice, see that. So that's my YouTube video. Bye guys, my mini skater, come to.